The moving average is a critical part of technical analysis, and it is the best method for looking at historical price action over any period of time. Mastering the moving averages will not only help you make trading decisions, it will aid in the understanding of many other indicators as well. To start, click on Indicators List on your MT4 toolbar. Select Trend and Moving Averages. Change the period to 20 and select a shade of blue. Make sure that your MA method is set to Simple and click OK. This blue line is a simple moving average. In this case, it is a 20-period or 20-candle SMA. So, how do we calculate the price at each point along the line? We look back on the closing price on each candle or period, add up the prices and divide by 20. Therefore, this point represents the average price over the last 20 periods. As any lagging indicator, it looks at price action from the past, and in this case, 20 candles. Therefore, if this were a daily chart on the FTSE 100, this point would represent the average price action over the last 20 days. On an hourly chart, it would look at the last 20 hours. In this case, it is a 4-hour chart on the FTSE 100, so it looks back 80 hours. You can see what happens in trending markets. Here we have bull runs which stay consistently above the SMA and bear runs which are steadily below the SMA. It is a good idea to experiment with different moving average periods on different chart timeframes and to become accustomed to how they behave. Your trading style and risk appetite will dictate which will serve you best. For example, a 10-period SMA might not be giving much information at all. This 20-period simple moving average might give us some good information on current market trend. The 50-period might be more in keeping with your style, and this 200-period moving average may give you far less information than you need to open a position. As I said, you need to experiment and backtest. You may wonder why in some cases where price has reversed to the downside, the simple moving average continues to rise. Conversely, with reversals to the upside, the SMA continues to drop. Quite simply put, they are averages and are affected equally by every period from beginning to end. So, let's see if we can fix this. Open another moving average, but instead of a simple moving average, let's try an exponential moving average. Now we can see that this exponential moving average, or EMA, gives more weight to more recent price action. One may consider the EMA to be more accurate than the SMA, but others may prefer SMAs as they are smoother. Your preference will come from practice and your trading style. We will look more at how to trade these in our education series. To review, in this lesson we covered setting up a simple moving average, what is a moving average, different periods for moving averages, and comparing the exponential moving average to the simple moving average. In the next lesson, we will look at setting up moving average crosses.